Rocket Pat here. All right, guys, let's see if we can get this thing run. It's been, I don't know how many years since it's ran, but I think I got it where she's ready to make some heat. I'm gonna have to set you guys down right over here for a minute. I hope y'all can see it. Let's see what we got going on. All right, y'all hang out right there for a minute, and yeah, let's see if we can make some heat. I've already cleaned the carburetor. Just got some fresh fuel in it, and I ran compression again. It looks like our compression's coming up. Let's see if we can make some heat here. Alright guys, well there you go, we made some heat. I'll keep working on her, see what we can do in a little while. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I'm gonna keep tractor timing it down.